In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit your hours in deel. So the first thing you have to know when to submit your hours is to click on the calendar. And here you should be able to see in the date of your session the corresponding event. Apart from this event, you can see this little event here that says submit practice session hours. You can only see this 1 week yes, 1 week no, and so on. For example, next week there is no event, but the next one, there it is. You just go to the link. This is a little reminder for you. So let's go to the link. And here to the right, you will be able to see your contracts. If it says due tomorrow or due in 3-4 days, that's okay. But if it says due in 8 days or in 7 days, that means it's not the correct week. So once you know this, you just click here. It's no problem if you see no quantity because I already submitted. That's why it appears for me. But you just click here. And then to the left, you will see this little form where you have to put normally 8 hours, 4 for 1 week and 4 for the other. And for this section, what I normally do is go and open in a new tab the invoices. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I just check for the last one. And in this section, I just copy the description that it's coordination of 2 morning practice sessions these 2 weeks. And I just put the date. You just change it to the corresponding ones. And then just paste it in the description here. You just have to change the date to the corresponding ones. I'm not going to add the submission because I already did, but that's all you have to do. Thank you.